If you don't vote for the right leader, a war that's not supposed to last for 24 hours will stay for years. Your decision today determines your peace tomorrow. We only take orders from our commanders. You vote the leader that give them the order.
Breaking news, my wonderful people. Finally, you can hear from a Nigerian soldier himself. I hope he's not being implicated for what he has, said to Nigerians. Hope they will not, implicate him and warn him or send him to their court like they normally do. I mean, there is a military system where they don't go to the conventional system if they feel that an officer is erring. They will rather deal with it with their own kind of regime rule. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. You just watched the video and you saw the young man warning Nigerians the implication of voting in the wrong person. My dear, it cannot be overemphasized. It will lead to a lot of damage. 2023, Nigerian soldiers warn citizens, reveals implication of voting in the wrong leader. Ahead of 2023 election, a Nigerian soldier has issued a warning to citizens as he revealed the implication of not voting in the right person. In the video cited online, Leeds Nigeria reports that the soldier averred that if Nigerians fail to vote the right leaders, there would be problem in the country. According to him, a war that is not supposed to last more than 24 hours will take for years because voting determines the peace of a nation. He added that soldiers take orders from their commanders, while citizens have the power to vote those leaders and encourage Nigerians to vote in the right leader. Meanwhile, the Federal Capital Territory Command of the Nigerian police force has confirmed the arrest of one Obuku Chukwuemeka parading himself as a medical doctor. The individual was said to have designed himself as a medical practitioner working with the United Nations as a humanitarian aid at the national headquarters in Abuja. Meanwhile, it was a lie. Let Nigeria understand that Chukwuemeka is currently being grilled by the security operatives. Why the force plans to charge him to court soon as it is done with investigation. A source from the command had told newsmen that the suspect's state of origin, age, and other important details are yet to be uncovered, as he has refused to give details on those very issues. So, my wonderful people, it is what it is. Anyone, they will say, if you have ear, who have ear, let him hear. There are all kinds of things going on out there, and many and more people are beginning to look at the whole situation quite critically and are beginning to say, where are we? Where do we stand in all of this?